I'm Jim Brogan. I was born here. I've been here all my life. I have 2 degrees from the University of Tennessee. So we do wealth management and retirement planning. So what does that really mean? Anything in your life that could impact your finances, whether it's investing money, whether it's how to structure income, if we can optimize our taxes, so we serve people. And that's part of our mission statement. We serve people.
Happy Sunday, everybody. Sure hope you have a great day today. We're going to talk about the big picture weather pattern right now, why the weather's going to be changing the way it is, and why to pay attention to the weather this week because, well, we actually have some elevated rain chances. Now, we didn't see a ton of rain yesterday in most locations. Tri-Cities picked up 43/100ths of an inch of rain. We made it to 88 in Knoxville. In low, mid, and even low 90s. Chattanooga topping out at 91 degrees. So let's talk about what we need to watch for this week. Spotty storms through Tuesday, a deepening trough Wednesday through Friday. The trough may actually linger through the weekend, bringing us some strong gusty winds and the potential for some localized flooding. Temperature trend, we're going to start to trend downward, closer to those seasonal averages. Average high for this time of year is 81 degrees. We're going to be well above average all the way through, say, Tuesday. Wednesday, we start to see that transition. And then the increased moisture, clouds, and rain showers start to settle on in Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So therefore, temperatures come down. It's an inverse relationship. Rain chances go up, temperatures come down, and the rain chances will be increasing here throughout the week this week. We've got a lot of moisture streaming its way on in. We talk about this every once in a while. This is precipitable water. How much water could we precipitate out of the atmosphere? And if we were able to do so, and the darker shades of reds indicate some high precipitable water. So now we've got a huge moisture transport moving its way into the area. And now we've also got energy and troughs swinging on into the area as well. So this is the upper level pattern. So precipitable water is through the column of the atmosphere. As this weak little trough swings its way through all the way through Tuesday, it's going to increase our chances for rain. But here's our deepening trough that's going to set up shop and bring us elevated rain chances and coverage and totals throughout the entire week. Actually, the Weather Prediction Center is painting a picture of about 2 to 3 inches of rainfall all the way from, say, Illinois, Indiana to Missouri and right here in East Tennessee as well. So we are looking at elevated rain chances, and this may stick with us all the way through the end of the 7-day forecast and maybe above and beyond that. So we talked about those temperatures coming on down. Again, your 7-day. First day of fall, by the way, is on Monday. We're at 86 degrees. We dropped down to 85 on Tuesday. More seasonable temperatures all the way through Thursday, maybe below average weather Friday and Saturday as the rain and the clouds and the storms and the low pressure system moves its way on in. But does it stay at or below average? Maybe not. We may be trending above average, actually, per the Climate Prediction Center as we round out the month and head into October. Hey, by the way, if you just want a quick snippet of how the forecast is going to play out today, tonight, tomorrow, what to look forward to as we just talked about in the long form forecast, go check out Witcher's 1 Minute Weather. I update that twice a day, morning and evening, just like this forecast as well. The long version, the big picture, the synoptic scale of why the weather is the way it is. Have a great day.